ಹಾಯ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಅವರ್ ಚಾನಲ್. ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಈ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ನ ಒಂದು ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ನ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ನಾವು ಮಾರ್ಜಿನಲ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಟುಡೇಸ್ ಲೆಕ್ಚರ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ discuss about some basic knowledge and introduction about operating costing, what is operating costing and how to use. Next, first meaning. Operating costing is a method designed to ascertain the cost of the undertakings which do not products but which render services. Means it is also one of the type of cost methods of costing, but not products but given some render services is called operating costing. Means the operating costing only gives services to company or customer but not given the product to the company or customer, right? ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ನ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ನೋಡೋದಾದರೆ ಇದು ಕೇವಲ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ನ ಕೊಡುತ್ತಾದರೆ ಆದರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ನ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ರೈಟ್? ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದ ರೆಂಡರಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸಸ್ ಆರ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ರೋಡ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್, railway service, shipping service, airway service. Like these are the some services given to the company and the between customer and retailer. Yes, the company can choose road service, means like truck, lorry, bus. These are the road services. And railway services means any coal and any raw material one place to another place transfer and using the railway service. So shipping services use the company can import the oil, diesel, petrol out of the countries using shipping services because the cheapest way. And airway service, in emergency and very important products are supply or transfer to the airway services, right? The next one, objectives. What are the objectives of operating costing? To find out the most profitable route of operations. Means the company can choose the above various services. The rail service and shipping services the cost is very low. Then company can choose more profitable route of the services. Then to control the cost and of repairs and maintenance effectively. When the company can choose the most profitable route of the service, then automatically company can effectively cost reduce in the maintenance of repairs. And to ascertain the cost per unit service and for the fix for the carriage of goods and passengers, right? Means the calculation of cost per unit, how much the per unit cost can calculate and fix for the carriage goods and passengers. Next one is classification of cost. What are the classification of cost? Fixed and standing charges. What is the meaning of fixed and standing charges? Fixed cost means fixed cost or standing charges are those charges which will not vary with the running of vehicle. It is fixed or standing charges not depend on the running of the vehicle, lorry or bus. It is the fixed charges like rent and vehicle tax and salary of operating managers, supervisor, insurance, lighting, establishment charges. The insurance must be you can paid every year, and vehicle tax you must be paid, and rent. These are the fixed. There is no any depend on running the vehicle. The next one is second one, running charges. Running charges are those charges which vary according to the running of the vehicle. The running charges depend on when the vehicle can run, then that charges will be paid by the owner or the company. Like oil, diesel, petrol and salary of drivers, commission, depreciation, conductor on based on kilometer. When you can operate the vehicle, then you can pay that cost is called or charges called running charges. Next, maintenance charges. Maintenance charges are the semi-variable expenses. They are neither fixed or nor variable expenses. Right? The examples of maintenance charges: tires, tubes, repairs and maintenance, painting, overhead. Right? When the tires, tubes are the not regular charges. When you can one time you can purchase the tire and tube, you can lifetime 3 to 4 years, that will be no change or exchange, right? These are the maintenance charge. These are the classification of cost, right? Next, what are the some formulas for the operating costing in the calculation of problems, right? First, we can find passenger kilometer calculation. Calculation of passenger kilometer. What is the formula? Number of vehicles means 5, 4, that no matter. And number of trips means how many times the vehicle or bus can transfer one place to another place between, right? Number of and distance. What is the kilometer for two places, right? Locations. And into capacity means what is the storage of the in the vehicle, right? In numbers or kg, this into capacity utilized, the total amount here, it is the passenger kilometer. The some expenses are less in this amount, less passenger or ton kilometer lost for repairs and maintenance, means it is in this formula is total passenger or ton kilometer upon number of vehicles into number of vehicles dead off for repairs and maintenance, means it is not using the, these vehicles are not using in the operation, right? This amount is deducted in this amount. The total remaining amount, these are called effective passenger or ton kilometer, right? It is the first formula. Another formula is total calculation of kilometers, only kilometers. In this formula, number of vehicle into number of trips into distance into number of days. In this formula, there is no capacity and capacity utilized, right? Only for distance, number of trips, vehicle and days. The total amount is there, and in this amount we can deduct kilometer lost for repairs and maintenance. In this formula is total kilometer on number of vehicles into number of vehicles laid off for repairs and maintenance. These are also the unused vehicles. This is deducted in this amount. The remaining amount is called effective kilometer, right? These are two formula we can use in the problem with solution, right? The sum means the wife means the company can Suzuki company can produce their cars, and the head office and manufacturing company in the place of where Mumbai, and the branches is Bengaluru. In this Mumbai to Bengaluru, what is the distance? 1000. I can just take random 1000 kilometer. This is the number of distance. How many months and how many days can continuously operate the truck or lorry, means number of days. And how many company can have the number of vehicles, right? And how many trips, means one vehicle how many trips can make and taken 3 days for the one trips, right? And capacity, what is the storage capacity? If company is the total of 10 vehicle or truck, lorry, and how many trips are maintained, and these are the some basic information about operating costing and knowledge of the operating costing. So today's lecture will be ended. This is the some basic knowledge about operating costing, and the next lecture should be started the problem with solution of the operating costing. So have support our channel continuously, and make sure share this video to related and your related friends, and like, comment any doubts you have, and support continuously. So today's lecture ended. So thank you. Subscribe to our channel.